Welcome back, class 11, your grammar class. Please open your exercise copies and start writing. Fill in the blanks using appropriate words. Fill in the blanks using appropriate words, and these words are prepositions you know. Sentence number 1. Get dash the facts. Get dash the facts. Number 2. She cannot get dash with him. She cannot get dash with him. Now the next. Just a minute. Yes, next. Do not hanker, Hanker. Hanker means run after, or try to get, clinging to. Do not hanker dash riches. Do not hanker, Hanker dash riches. The child is hard, Hard, hard dash hearing. The child is hard dash hearing. Hard, hard. Then we heard, Heard. Heard. We heard. That means we have heard. We heard dash your success. We heard dash your success. And success spelling is SUCCESS. So 5 sentences I've given. Continue writing. Ignorance dash law. Ignorance dash law is no excuse. Ignorance dash law is no excuse for breaking it. Ignorance dash law is no excuse for breaking it. Then she is ill. She is ill dash fever. She is ill dash fever. The child is impatient. IMPATIENT. The child is impatient dash milk. The child is impatient dash milk. Okay. The judge imposed. The judge imposed a heavy fine dash him. The judge imposed a heavy fine dash him. I am impressed. The judge imposed a heavy fine dash him. Next is you are impressed dash her speech. Now the 10th sentence was you are impressed dash her speech. Now I will give you 5 more. Now the teacher tried to impress, impress dash us. The teacher tried to impress dash us the need of good habits. The need of good habits. 12. I am indebted. INDEBTED. I am indebted dash my friend for timely help. I am indebted dash my friend for timely help. This plastic chair is inferior. INFERIOR. This plastic chair is inferior dash that wooden chair. Number 14. Let us hope dash the best. Let us hope dash the best. And sentence number 15, please write. We are hopeful. We are hopeful dash our success. Again, the success spelling, lot of you get it wrong. It is SUCCESS. So we are hopeful dash our success. Complete this. I am coming back with the answers. Now the answers. Get at the facts. That means know the facts. Get at the facts. Try to get at the facts. Try to know the facts. Get at the facts. She cannot get on with him. That means he and she especially, cannot adjust with him. She cannot get on with him. Do not hanker after riches. That means don't spend your life running after riches. Do not hanker after riches. The child is hard of hearing. O single F. The child is hard of hearing. We heard, HEARD, heard. We heard of your success. O single F. Both are off. The child is hard of hearing and we heard of your success. Then ignorance. Ignorance of law. Ignorance of OF. Ignorance of law is no excuse for breaking it. That means if you are not aware of the law, that does not give you the right to break the law. Ignorance of law is no excuse for breaking it. She is ill. ill. She is ill with fever. She is ill with fever. The child is impatient. IMPATIENT. The child is impatient for milk. For milk. The judge imposed a heavy fine. The judge imposed a heavy fine on him. You are impressed with her speech. You are impressed with her speech. The teacher tried to impress upon us. That means the teacher tried to make us understand, impress upon us the need of good habits. That means the teacher tried to explain to us so that we understand it and it makes an impression on our mind. The teacher is not trying to impress himself or herself. The teacher is giving an idea and explaining us the need of good habits, and he or she is trying to impress upon us. That means so that we get the motivation to follow good habits, so that we are motivated. So the teacher tried to impress upon us the need of good habits. I am indebted to my friend. I am indebted to my friend has helped me, so I am indebted to him. The plastic chair is inferior to that wooden chair, the plastic chair, this plastic chair is inferior to that wooden chair. Let us hope for the best. Let us hope for the best, and we are hopeful of our success. OF, single F. So these are the prepositions which will, these type of questions will be asked in your ISC, and it is 100 every class. I tell you, it is like mathematics. If you are correct, if you are right, it is, you'll get full marks. If you are wrong, marks will be deducted. So that is all for today. Thank you very much.